passionate about crafts. I have brilliant ideas every day. Adrenaline rush. My heart beats like a drum every time I touch. Scraps of fabric and thread brought to embroider knit, weave into art. Create a work most joyful, suit the heart. Don't waste time, hurry up and grab. Needle thread assemble various fabric fibers to beat a joyful melody. I'm passionate about crafts. I have brilliant ideas every day. Adrenaline rush. My heart beats like a drum every time I touch. Beautiful patterns on fabric fibers, changing imagination every time. Happiness when doing is a dream that is fulfilled. Like life is filled with color, the artist in my heart is calling. The world is the stage where I play, join the show and create with my heart. I'm passionate about crafts. I have brilliant ideas every day. Adrenaline rush. Heart beats like a drum every time you touch. Like a collection. Like a collection. Don't waste time, hurry up and grab. Needle thread assemble various fabric fibers to be a joyful melody. I'm passionate about crafts. I have brilliant ideas every day. Adrenaline rush. Heart beats like a drum every time you touch. Like a collection. Like a collection. Like a collection. Like a collection. I'm passionate about crafts. I have brilliant ideas every day. Adrenaline rush. My heart beats like a drum every time I touch. Scraps of fabric and thread brought to embroider knit, weave into art. Create a work most joyful, suit the heart. Don't waste time, hurry up and grab. Needle thread assemble various fabric fibers to beat a joyful melody. I'm passionate about crafts. I have brilliant ideas every day. Adrenaline rush. My heart beats like a drum every time I touch. Beautiful patterns on fabric fibers, changing imagination every time. Happiness when doing is a dream that is fulfilled. Like life is filled with color, the artist in my heart is calling. The world is the stage where I play, join the show and create with my heart. I'm passionate about crafts. I have brilliant ideas every day. Adrenaline rush. Heart beats like a drum every time you touch. Like a collection. Don't waste time, hurry up and grab needle, thread, assemble various fabric fibers to be a joyful melody. I'm passionate about crafts, I have brilliant ideas every day. Adrenaline rush, heart beats like a drum every time you touch. Leka collection, Leka collection, Leka collection, Leka collection. I'm passionate about crafts, I have brilliant ideas every day. Adrenaline rush, my heart beats like a drum every time I touch. Scraps of fabric and thread brought to embroider, knit, weave into art. Create a work most joyful, suit the heart. Don't waste time, hurry up and grab needle, thread, assemble various fabric fibers to be a joyful melody. I'm passionate about crafts, I have brilliant ideas every day. Adrenaline rush, my heart beats like a drum every time I touch. Beautiful patterns on fabric fibers, changing imagination every time. Happiness when doing is a dream that is fulfilled. Like life is filled with color, the artist in my heart is calling. The world is the stage where I play, join the show and create with my heart. I'm passionate about crafts, I have brilliant ideas every day. Adrenaline rush, heart beats like a drum every time you touch. Like a collection, like a collection. Don't waste time, hurry up and grab needle, thread, assemble various fabric fibers to be a joyful melody. I'm passionate about crafts, I have brilliant ideas every day. Adrenaline rush, heart beats like a drum every time you touch. Like a collection, like a collection, like a collection, like a collection. I'm passionate about crafts, I have brilliant ideas every day. Adrenaline rush, my heart beats like a drum every time I touch. Scraps of fabric and thread brought to embroider, knit, weave into art. Create a work most joyful, suit the heart. Don't waste time, hurry up and grab needle, thread, assemble various fabric fibers to be a joyful melody. I'm passionate about crafts, I have brilliant ideas every day. Adrenaline rush, my heart beats like a drum every time I touch. patterns on fabric fibers, changing imagination every time. Happiness when doing is a dream that is fulfilled. Like life is filled with color, the artist in my heart is calling.